Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Welcome to my channel. I seek out the truth. It's that time for the PS4 cleaning, preventative maintenance cleaning. And as you can see here, all this dust and stuff living here in the desert. This gets inside your PS4, and you can see the control vents, the heating vents here are all filthy and dirty. Well, I'm going to show you how to take this apart and clean it. And I'm not worried about voiding the warranty on mine because it's pretty old. We've had it for a couple years already. Because what I'm going to show you will void your warranty if it's a new PS4, because you're going to have to remove some stickers on the back here and get to the torque screw stuff. But let me show you how to take this top off here first to check to see how dirty this is right here. So what you're going to do, set this right here. You're going to push down on this and slide it this way. There we go. As you can see right there. It pops right off. And just slides right up. Let's see how dirty it is inside here. You don't have to take any screws off or anything to get this off. But there's some kind of wear right here. I don't know what that is. Scuff marks. First time I ever took this off. Right here the hard drive is and stuff. Now what you want to do is get your little brush like this for cleaning computer keyboards and stuff, and you just want to go over here and dust this off. Or if you have a vacuum, you want to suck it off. You don't want to get any of that compressed air that you buy at Walmart or Office Max or anything like that, because what happens sometimes that squirts out water, and you just want to clean this stuff off like that. You can shorten this brush, make it more stiffer so you can get in here and clean this stuff off. It's very important to keep your electronics clean. They'll run cooler and won't overheat, and you won't have any problems. Preventative maintenance is what it's called. Do this first before I get to the bottom. Take the bottom off. I'm not going to disconnect any of these hard drives or anything like that, because like I said, I just want to get the cooling passages here on the sides cleaned off, and then get inside and clean out the cooling fan and stuff like that. But as you can see, this is already starting to look better already. The reason I took this top off, I want to see if there's any dust inside here, inside this panel here. Very, very important. And make sure electronics last much longer, and keeps them clean, and enjoyment time of playing much better. Alright, let me get this top back on and I'll show you the back. Okay, here's the back area. It's not too dirty back here in the back, but what you want to do is take off these three bolts right here. I've already took two out already, as you can see. This is a torque bolt, and you're going to need the torque bolt screwdriver, the one that has the hole in the middle, because there's a little pin right there that it has to go down over that hole. And like I said, this will void your warranty. Here's the stickers that go here over the screws. Have to take that off, and then these other two stickers here look like this, don't say anything, they're just stickers. But you want to put them to the side there and keep them off. And here's what the screws look like. Like I said, you need the ones with the little hole, torque screwdriver, and you can pick that screwdriver up at Ace Hardware or any place that sells tools. And once you get these three things off, as you can see, this is already coming loose. This will just pop right off, and then your cooling fan will be inside there. So let me get this last screw off and then take this top off and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, once you get all the three screws out, you want to make sure you tug over here. It's going to pop. There you go. And then gently just pull it off. Alright. Let's move this over here. Slide it forward a little bit. Should get my tripod. Seriously. Take this off, and as you can see, there's the dust buildup here. There's all the stuff you want to clean. Now you don't have to clean this perfectly because it's going to gain dust again, but this is your cooling fan, and like I said before, you don't want to use anything that has to use compressed air, because you don't want to have anything break loose in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a Q-tip and we're going to clean this off, and then I'm going to suck this out with the vacuum. Let me get the Q-tips. I got them actually underneath here, but let me get set up here. Alright, you see I got the Q-tip, and you can see I just put over just a little bit all that crap that's in there. Well, you want to get that stuff loose and knock it off over there, and just, gently Just go like this with the Q-tip. You might need more than one. Just depends on how many you want to use. And just gently just pick all that stuff up, because that stuff, what happens, gets inside your electronics and then causes it to overheat, especially if this gets clogged up too much to where it can't spin freely, and then you start having problems with your hard drive, your motherboard, stuff like that. I'm just throwing it off over here to the right over here, because I want to clean this later. But right now I'm just showing you how to just get this stuff off. It's not too bad. This is actually my first cleaning on this PS4. We don't play it that often. See all that gunk and stuff like that? That stuff will build up over time. This fan will slow down, then you start having overheating problems. So it's always good to do your preventive maintenance cleaning. That's really hard to say. And then after I do all this, then I will get a clean one like this, and I will go in between each blade here and swipe it like that. And then after I'm completely done with all this, I will get the vacuum and just suck whatever loosely fell in there down into the fan area. But just see how easily that spins now? Much more better, even though it wasn't that bad. But yeah, this is all cleaning. And then as you can see, like right over in this area right here, you got your dust there also. You want to clean all that stuff out. This not Alright, there you have it. That's vacuumed all the stuff up. Like I said, this is first I went over this whole area with the Q-tips, all this area here. Then I went with the vacuum, sucked it all up, and then what you want to do is get the microfiber towel, gently wipe in the areas here, and make sure that they're clean from dust and everything. Check that out, nice and clean, nice and new. Get the sides like this, whatever. You know, get it all wiped off with the microfiber thing. Be careful when you suck it inside the fan here. You just want to make sure you get all the loose stuff up, and then gently go over the rest of the area here with the microfiber towel. Just, you know, be careful not to loosen any of the wires here. You know, go along the edges here, the cooling vents area. And there you have it. That's how you maintain your PS4, your electronics, everything clean as new. Look at it, spinning freely and won't overheat. And then in a couple months I'll come back and check this and do this again. And there you have it. The reverse, put it back together, put the top back on, put the screws back in, put the stickers back on. Like I said before, this will void your warranty if you take off those stickers and do this yourself, but I always like to do shit myself, excuse me, because I don't want to pay for somebody else to do something as easy as this for me to do myself. But if you're a young child or teenager and your parents won't allow you to do this, don't try it. But this is how I maintain my thing. I mean, look at this, how dirty that is. That little dust right there can cause you a big pain in the butt electronic problem with your PS4. There you have it. Now let me put it back together and plug it in and make sure everything works. Alright, got it plugged back in, everything put back together, got the TV turned on, and let's get this going. PS4 is nice and clean. There you have it, all done. And that's how you do your preventive maintenance cleaning on your PS4. Make sure that you get your parents' permission. Don't attempt this yourself, because like I said, it will void the warranty, removing those stickers. And everything is working perfect. I didn't disconnect the hard drive or any wirings or anything like that. I was just doing a preventative maintenance cleaning to keep the cooling fan from overheating and shutting down the system. So if you like this video, hit that like, click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Don't cost nothing, it's free. Check it out, Batman Arkham Knights. And thanks for taking the time of your day to watch my videos. I'm gonna go play some Batman.